I guess you know what is dark web, and that's why you clicked on this video. If you don't know what is dark web, then let me know in the comments so that I can make a video precisely on that topic. So in today's video I'm not gonna be talking about what is dark web. In today's video I'm gonna be talking to you about where actually is the hidden place of dark web, from where dark web is controlling everything. To do some work you need a place, right? Suppose for dark web I am saying to you, for example, torture room. To torture someone you need a room. You need a room, and where is actually the torture room? In which room dark web is torturing a lot of people? This cannot be beside your house, okay? Because if it is beside your house, you are gonna complain to police and they're gonna come and take over dark web, but this is not happening. So actually where is the base camp or the base of dark web? Today we are gonna be making this video about this topic. Stay tuned, because in this video we're gonna learn a lot of new things that you didn't probably know. Let's start. Now I am telling you, suppose there are a lot of places that we don't know about. This is a possibility that the places we don't know about are actually the base camp of dark web. Suppose Area 51 or the Bermuda Triangle, or such places where people cannot even go, or people are not allowed to go there. For which reason? We don't know the reason, okay? These places can be the base of dark web, which are highly hidden and no one even knows about those places. And believe me or not, I am not sure, I am not confidently saying you that yeah, Area 51 is the place where dark web's base camp is located. No, it's a guess. And this is a guess that yeah, these places can be the hidden place from where dark web controls everything. And the second point, which is not my made or my thinking, it is from the Google. It is from the Google where I get the new informations. So second point is gonna be more awesome. The second point, actually dark web is very clever, way too much clever than any other organizations or any other persons. Actually the persons or the people who are controlling dark web are very clever, okay? They're not gonna make their base camp before your house. No, they're not gonna do that. So where that place can be? Well, as you know, I don't know if you know it or not, there are many countries which does not have internet connection, which does not have education, which does not have science. I mean, they are so freaking poor that they even don't know what is electricity. There are many countries like that, many. You cannot even count them in numbers. For example, there are some places of Africa which are so uneducated, okay? People don't even use a mobile phone in those places. Dark web targets those type of places where people are so very uneducated and there is no proper, police guards or any kind of police forces, and where protection is not so good. Dark web just finds these kind of places and they make their bases right there, and people don't even have intention on them, because suppose you are not even using a cell phone, you don't know what is electricity, then how will you know about dark web? Or how will you know even suppose you are seeing that there is the dark web's base camp, but how will you know that when your country is so poor and you don't know anything about technology? How will you even know that yeah, this is the base of dark web? No, you are not gonna know that. And that's what dark web is doing. They're searching for countries which are so very uneducated and they're making their base camps over there and they're doing their business. No one is interrupting them, or they're not interrupting anybody, and they're doing their work peacefully. And the people of educated and very high countries like you, me, we are facing troubles for them. I think you got it. And basically that was what I meant to say. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, then I'm gonna make another video maybe about this one. Let me know in the comments. And I am sorry if I made any kind of mistakes, and I am telling you guys, I am not a native English speaker, so if I make any kind of mistake, be sure to forgive me. And yeah, I am still learning, and I'm gonna share the things that I learned from my daily life. That's basically why my YouTube channel is. Go subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any videos, and you can learn a lot of new things every day or every week or every month. See you in the next one. Peace.